Right, today I'm going to look at doing gel polish with the cat's eye polish, and it gives really a lovely effect. Now what you will need is you'll need your base coat in the gel polish, black in your gel polish, and your various colours in your magnetic polishes. You'll also need a UV lamp, at least 48 watts or above, and of course someone to work on. I've got a dummy hand here, as you can see, and we're going to apply the polish to this. I've already put the base coat on and cured it for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to apply the black polish. So I'm going to get my black, I don't want too much on my brush, just go up to the cuticle area, come forwards. Now the secret with all gel polishes is to put them on in thin coats. If you do thick coats, quite often what happens is the polish can in fact only cure on the top surface, leaving the underneath surface not set. And then what happens is that when you apply your second coat, because gel polish shrinks in the lamp, it will pull on the softened area underneath, and you will get a wrinkling effect on the polish. Don't forget to cap the end. So just do thin coats. Don't worry that it hasn't gone right through in the colour saturation. Thin coats is very important. So now I'm just going to cure that now for 30 seconds in the lamp. So I'm going to have to do it like this. So now I'm going to take it back out the lamp. And of course you wouldn't do one finger at a time. You'd do all your 4 fingers. I'm going to apply my second coat of black. You'll find that these magnetic polishes do work better on black. You can see the effect a lot more clearly. Now I apply my second coat, and as you can see now, it's a lot more dense in the actual colour saturation. It is difficult working on these dummy hands. They're not as flexible as a real person, so when you're turning the fingers and so on, it can get a little bit stiff with the fingers. Don't forget to cap the end. And then that's my second coat. So I'm now going to put that back under the lamp for another 30 seconds. Let's come out the lamp. Now this is the trick part now. So now I'm going to get one of these colours. Any colour will do for this experiment, and let's just get this. And this is our Born Pretty magnetic gel polish. So I'm going to place this now on the nail. Get to the back, of course. Just place it over. Cover all that black. I always think that when you're doing this as well, it's a good idea not to take the black right to the very, very back, because, you know, you've got to go to the back, but just leave a tiny little bit of a gap. And then when you put this on, you'll find that you won't have a black line all the way around your the finger. So get that on. Nice, it's quite thick. Now what you need to do now is to get your magnet and just hover it above. Then when you lift it off, you'll get that line going through. So now we need to just pop that back under the lamp. I'm just going to pop that on for 60 seconds. Let's come out the lamp again. And you can see that line going through there, which is a really nice effect. Now I'm going to get my top coat. I'm using a no wipe top coat. I'm going to apply that over the top of the polish. This gel's quite cold, I can see at the moment, because we're in a lockdown situation at the moment, and the heating's being off, so all the gels get a little bit cold. They do work better when they're at room temperature, in that they self-level a lot easier. So now I'm just going to pop this back under the lamp again for 60 seconds. Top coats always 60 seconds. So now I'm going to come back out the lamp, and hopefully you can see that that is a really nice effect. You've got this line going through with a magnet change the filings in the actual magnetic polish and put this stripe through, and they call that cat's eyes. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do the rest of these nails with various colours that I've got available to me, and then we'll see what everything looks like. So now I've put the colours onto the other nails, and you can see you've got this cat's eye line going down across the nails, and when you apply the polish it comes out it's like the colour looks different to when you actually place the magnet over the top. You can see this one has come out with like a blue, although when I put it on it was more or less green. So the colours do change as you put the magnet over the top. It's something that you need to practice with the colours that you purchase, just to get an idea of what they're going to look like when you actually put them on. So these are the Born Pretty magnetic cat's eyes gel polish.